In this video, I'll show you how to fix sniping tool error. So what you need to do, come on here, type in settings. So if you're having issues with your sniping tool and you love to fix the errors, type in settings, wait for it to open up. So click on apps, click on apps and features. Look at the second option, app list. Come on here, type in sniping tool. So this is it. It's currently 1.2 gig space. So click on this, click on advanced options. Right, so you can be able to see different features here. So what you need to do, click on repair at first. Once it has repaired, click on reset. Once you have resetted it, you can be able to enjoy a good or a better sniping tool feature. You need to be able to have that error again. So if you found this video helpful, subscribe.